Hey guys, so today I got a new toy. Well, I got it a couple weeks ago. It's a PodMic USB Rode with an XLR and USB input. So we're gonna do an unboxing today of the PodMic USB Rode. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so right here, first box. There's another box inside. PodMic Rode USB. Let's put this over here. Let us see what's in this box. This is the top. Aha! So we have more boxes. Let's see, first box here. This is just, oh, yes, this is a pop filter. The new Rode mics come with a pop filter. The old ones you had to buy one separate. And this also comes, I think you can buy these in different color. It's perfect. It's nice. It's very light. Looks a little plasticky, but looks very sturdy. The material looks excellent. Well, let's move on. See what else is in here. Okay, so there's a couple guides. Regulatory safety guide. PodMic USB, and the guys are beeping outside like crazy. There's a lot of traffic, but we don't care. We're just doing an unboxing here. So there's another box. This is the Rode mic itself. Let's see how can you get. Okay, this came out very easy actually. Let us see. So first impression, this guy feels like a tank. It's very sturdy, very heavy, looks very sleek. It's got a little Rode design on both sides over here. The knobs look very strong. You can put either on a table mount or on a boom. And the back, I don't know if you guys can see here, it has a headphone input, so you can listen to the audio itself. It's real good. Volume control up and down. USB-C to connect to your laptop, iPad, or computer. And I actually have not ever seen these caps here. This is a cap to keep the XLR clean. If you don't use the XLR, just use the USB. It's a nice little cap here. So this is your mic. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. We'll leave it here. So in the box, as another box. There's a lot of boxes in here. See what's in this box. So it's a decent size length USB-C to USB-C cable that we're gonna plug into the phone or iPad or laptop later on through the back of the Rode PodMic mic. So this is it. Unboxing of my new mic. We're gonna set it up and we're gonna talk about all the technical stuff in the next video. Let's see how this goes in here. Perfect.